What's up, guys? How are you doing today? I'm doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is Phenomenal Peeps. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click on subscription button, click on the bell, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. So today I'm going to show you guys the best way to be a profitable trader in both forex and derive.com. So I'm going to share you guys the technical analysis strategy that you need to know, even if you are a beginner or you have already have a knowledge in trading. So this video is going to help you guys. So I want you to find somewhere to sit and learn a little things about the technical analysis. So if you want to be if you want to be your own boss, or you want to increase your learning skills, so just watch this video from the beginning to the end. So just stay tuned, guys. So if you are new in trading, so that means you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Then if you are losing a lot of money, you are losing a lot of money in trading, please watch this video. It's very compulsory. So when you know this thing, that means you are already a guru, so you will make a lot of money in trading. So stop losing money and learn these skills. So let's just get started. You need to learn all these basic things. Number one, so like we have many ways, we have many strategy that we can use to trade, to be a profitable trader, but here we are going to talk about the technical analysis. So now we are not using any indicator for now, so I'm going to teach you how to use the technical analysis to be a profitable trader. So like I said before, you are new in trading and you want to be a profitable trader, so you need to learn these things. You just write it down. So you need to know how to you need to know the trend. So that is number one. So the trend, you need to know the trend. So you need to know the trend. This is what we call trend. Okay, so that is it. You need to know the trend. Although we have the trend also have the branches. Okay, so the trend also have the branches. Which is we have a uptrend, we have downtrend, and we also have ranging. So the ranging is also called sideways. Okay, so the ranging is also called sideways. So you need to know this. So when you know the trend, so you will know the movement of the, when you know the trend will, you will know the movement of the market. So the trend also have the three branches, like I said. So the trend we have uptrend, we have downtrend, and we also have the ranging. So the fourth one is what we call choppy, but we don't trade choppy. So that's it. We don't trade the choppy market. Okay, we don't trade the choppy market. So the trend we have uptrend, okay, let me use this. We have uptrend, we have downtrend, then we also have the ranging. So the fourth one, we don't trade it because it's choppy, so we don't trade that one. So we only trade the uptrend, downtrend, and the ranging market. So the ranging also called sideways. So that is number one. Then number two, the second thing that you need to know is what we call support and resistance. Support and resistance. So you need to know the support and resistance. Okay, so when support and resistance, so the support and resistance also, so you need to know how to use it to trade. So if you know how to use the trend line, you also need to know how to use the support and resistance if you want to be a technical trader. So you need to know how to use the support and resistance. Then also you need to know you need to also know how to use the candle formation. Okay, you also need to know how to use the candle formation. So you need to know how to use the candle formation. So this candle formation, we have a lot of candle formation. Okay, so the candle formation we have a lot of candle formation that you need to know. So first of all, you need to know the bullish engulfing. We have what we call bullish engulfing. Then we have what we call Aramin pattern, and we also know how to use, and we also have what we call morning star and evening star. So we have a bullish engulfing. So the bullish engulfing will look like this. Okay, So this is what we call bullish engulfing. This will be red if you are using the red candle for your this thing, for your sell signal. Then you use green candle as for your buying signal. So this one will be red, while this one will be green. So this will be your bullish engulfing. Then we also have what we call bearish engulfing. We have what we call Aramin pattern. So the Aramin pattern will look like this. So we will go in details. I'm just giving you the brief about it. So we'll go in details. So this one will be green candle, while this one will be red candle for Aramin pattern. Then we also have what we call morning star and evening star. So this is what we call evening star. So the candle will look like this. This is what we call evening star. Then morning star will look like this. So we will still go in details, guys. So I'm just giving you the brief about it. So what you need to learn. So before you trade, like if you are new on trading and you want to make a lot of money in trading, so you need to learn all these things. So we will still go in details. I'm just briefing it for you now. So all these things that I'm talking about now, so we will do it one by one. We have already talked about the trend. Then we talk about the support and resistance, and also now we are talking about the candle formation. So the fourth one now that we're going to talk about is patterns. So we are going to talk about the patterns now. Pattern. So we have double top. So we have what we call double top, we have double bottom. All this one that I mentioned now is what we call in reverse pattern. So under the reverse pattern, we have double top, we have double bottom, we have head and shoulder, and we also have the inverse head and shoulder. Okay, then we also have what we call continuation pattern. Under the continuation pattern, we have bullish rectangle, we have bearish rectangle. So and then we also have what we call bullish peanut and bearish peanut. Okay, then under the pattern also we have what we call bilateral pattern. So under the bilateral pattern, we have a ascending triangle, we have a descending triangle, then we also have symmetry triangle. So that is it about the pattern. We have a lot of patterns, so I just want to mention that. Then when we go in details, I will list them one by one. So that is how many now. So we are talking about the four technical analysis. Now I've mentioned about the trend line, I've mentioned about the support and resistance, I've mentioned about the candle formation, then I've mentioned about the pattern. Now that is four basic things now that I mentioned now. So like I said, I will do another videos on how to trade it one by one. So I will do a video for trend line, I will do video on support and resistance, I will do video for candle formation, and I will do video for pattern. So I'm just mentioning it now so that this is what you need to learn, so for you to be a technical trader. Then we also have what we call divergence. Okay, so we have a bullish divergence, then we also have the bearish divergence. Then the lastly that you need to know now as a beginner, so we also know how to use the order block. So you need to know how to use the order block to trade, to be a successful trader. So all these things that I mentioned now is very important for a beginner. So you need to know it, and all these things so that I mentioned is it's not something that just something that you need to know in one day. No, so you need to practice it. So the more you practice, the more you will know it. So it's very deep. It's very, very deep. So you need to learn it and give it time. So you don't need to rush. So you need to learn all these things for you to be a successful trader. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to click on subscription button, click on the bell, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to see. Because all these things that I mentioned now, I will do a video on how to trade it one by one. So just stay tuned, guys, for the video on how to use the trend, the support and resistance, the candle formation, the patterns, and the divergence, and the order block and others. So that's it, guys. So make sure that you stay tuned. So thank you very much. See you guys in the next video. Then if you want to learn, if you want me to teach you all these things, it's more than 6. So I just listed 6 for now. So it's more than 6. So if you want to join our mentorship program, make sure you WhatsApp me or you message me on Telegram. So to learn how to trade all these things. So we have a private mentorship, then we have a public mentorship. The private mentorship is maybe you don't have time to join the the group mentorship. So if you want me to teach you one by one, only me and you, so we'll schedule time. Then that's what we call a private mentorship. But group mentorship, we can be like 10, we can be like 5 in one group. So that's it, we'll be in group, then we'll schedule the time for the training. So that's the difference. So if you want to learn, make sure you WhatsApp me or you message me on Telegram. So see you guys in the next video.